Welcome to our presentation on CSC 316 microcontroller project, which is titled as Safe Felony, a border patrolling system. Today, me, Shadmim Hasan Sifat, and my partner Kowshic Roy are going to present this presentation. From the title, you can remember felony, right? Felony is a victim of border killing. Nowadays, in our country, border killing have become the new normal. That's why we propose a practical solution to this problem. As the title refers, we are going to build a border patrolling system which will always be vigilant, and try to detect moving entities, for example, human, animal, warn them as quickly as possible through different medias like sound, light, display of warning related text, etc., based on how risky their current position is. The motivation behind choosing this project is both of us from two different districts. I am from Thakurga and my partner is from Dinaspur, and both of our these districts are from near border side with India. So from the very boyhood, we have experienced so many tragic incidents happened near border side, which are really hurtful to watch in India. For example, tragic incidents like felony killing at border. Most of the time, the reason behind these incidents is actually border people's inability to keep track of their safe and required distance from the border. That's why we have been thinking about its solution and want to contribute reducing such accidents as much as possible as an individual. Luckily, now here, both of us get the chance or platform through this microcontroller project to do something effective, which will not only ensure our knowledge and skill set on this course, but also can fulfill our long awaited wish. So that's the reason for which we choose to do this project.
Let us have a walkthrough along some of the components of our project. First, we will look at the list of the sensors. Here we will be using two types of sensors. The first type of sensor will be open ultrasonic sensors, and the second type of sensors will be load sensors. The open ultrasonic sensors will be used for detecting and calculating the distance between the moving object and the borderline. Here one thing is to notice that we are only concerned about the moving objects, so this will safely ignore the trees or the standing objects. The next type of sensor is load sensors. These load sensors will be used for detecting if any object is in the danger zone, and if any of the object is in the danger zone, this will trigger an event to slide the object back into the safe zone. Here goes a list of our key components: active buzzer, 12-volt DC motor non-gear, LCD display, LED lights, 80 mega 32 microcontroller unit. Here we will be generating three kinds of warning signals. The first type of warning signals will be sound warning, and this will be generated by active buzzers. The second type of warning will be visual warning, and this visual warning will be generated using LCD displays. And the third kind of warning will be light warnings, and this will be generated using different colors of LEDs. Different colors of LEDs will be used for indicating different danger levels. Here we will be using 12-volt DC motors for restricting the moving object from crossing the final danger line using a shaft. And finally, 18 mega 32 microcontroller unit will be used for providing the necessary processing power to the system. Here marks the end of our presentation. Thank you all for your uh, attention. Please let us know if you have any questions.